There's baby number 3.
Large
Due in
4 days?
4 days. Come out, baby.
Yes, that's right.
Baby out. Baby out. Can you guys say baby out?
Baby out.
Say it louder.
Baby out.
Okay, Sophia said.
Say baby out.
Say baby out.
Baby
Helena said. No, no yelling, no yelling. Baby out.
Baby out.
Baby out.
Baby out.
Is it gonna be a little brother or a little sister?
It's a baby.
It's a baby. You're right. 1, 2, 3.
Do a push-up, Sophie. Oh, good job. Good job, Helena. Good push-ups.
Sophie, Daddy, and Hannah too.
Oh, good push-ups.
I'm doing this way
Mm-hmm.
and this way too.
There we go. This is Timmy, 4 months old. And loving some jumping time without his sisters around. He loves the jumper. Hi, cutie. Smile at mommy, Timmy. Hi, Timmy. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy. Hi, baby boy. Can you jump? Oh, there we go. There's a smile. There's your smile. Hi. Boing, boing. Oh, don't swing him, Helena. No swinging. Don't touch Timmy. Just let him jump.
Good bouncy. That's Timothy.
That's right. That's Timothy.
That's my sister.
That's Helena. Yeah. Should we say hi to Sophie? There's Sophie. And who is that?
No.
Who's her? Well, who have you got in your arms there? Who's this? Oh,
You okay?
yeah. I'm okay. I just fell over. Who is this? Who's this? Who are you holding on? Let's go like this then. See? There's Sophie. Can you see yourself? And who's this little guy? Who's this, Sophie? Who are you holding on to? Is this your Uor? See? Say hi. There's Mommy. Sophie and Mommy. We're so cute. There is Helena and Timmy.
That's my bedroom.
That's your bedroom. Should we go in? This is our Christmas tree.
Oh, see.
And this is our living room. And our couch. And our fireplace is back there. And there's Susan's our table. And our hat. And Helena. Can you twirl, Helena? Oh, pretty twirling in your little skirt. Helena likes to dance. And that's our kitchen over there. You want to go in and show which bed is your bed? That's the laundry and stuff in the bathroom. Let's go in and show you. Look at your bed. Okay, come on through. Everybody sneak through. Okay, which bed is your bed? There's Miss Helena in her bed. And Miss Sophia, where's your bed, baby? Oh, and who's on your bed? Your Uor.
so tired. You see something to the camera? You are? Where's the camera? Can you see it? Have you got something to say to the camera? You do? Where is the camera? Are you guys some more laughs for me? Wow. Wow. Are you getting tired? Are you getting tired? Maybe. Maybe. Well. Okay, just a second. Oh, not yet, not yet. You're gonna sing your ABCs for the camera, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
A B C D E F G H I K J M O P Q R S Y and
T U V
W X Y and V
Z.
C. Now I know my ABCs. Next time will you sing with me?
Well, that was wonderful. Good job.
That's
Can you sing Twinkle Little Star?
twinkle, twinkle.
Oh, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Star, I wonder what you are. Up, we're so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder what you are.
Good job. Say it again, Sophie.
Cheese,
Say it louder.
cheese.
Yay, good job.
Can you girls sing for me?
Tinkle, 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 little door. I wonder what you are. Above you, hey, with a diamond in the sky. Tinkle, 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 tinkle,
Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle, tinkle, tinkle, tinkle.
She does a good job.
You
doing a good job, Paulina? That's been a mantra for years.
Can you sing? Can you sing Jesus Loves Me? How about your ABCs? Can you sing your ABCs? Okay, let's sing your ABCs, Sophie.
Let's see how long she can be filmed without feeling completely awkward. What do you do now, hey?
Get your feet down. Thank you.
Hi, Helena. Can you show me your twirl?
Breathe it all out, please.
Whoa. Can you do it again? What good twirling.
Here we go. Well, hello, little bunny. You want to show Daddy your bunny?
Oh, what a cute little bunny.